You see water streaming down your basement wall. Then you realize it's coming in from the top of your foundation. You think to yourself, what can I do now? Stay tuned to hear how water can intrude into your home from the top of the foundation and how this kind of leak should be addressed. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development here at INTRUDE. Generally, if you have water in your basement or crawl space, water has seeped through the wall, entered through cracks, or oozed in through the cove joint where the floor and wall connect. But every once in a while, you may have water coming into your home from the top of the wall. In this video, I'll explain what causes these leaks, how to stop the leaks, and how much it costs. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. When water is coming in over the foundation wall, this is typically coming in between where the outside of your home and the foundation meet. So whether that's brick or siding, there's a seal there that's been broken, allowing the water that typically flows behind your brick or that is just getting put on the face of your house to come in above that foundation wall. When you have these type of water leaks, it needs to be addressed from the outside. Now this depends on what's on the outside of your home. Is it stone? Is it brick? Is it siding? Those different things can cause different repairs. If it's a siding, you need more of a siding guy to come and maybe look at some flashing. If it's brick or stone, that's going to be something more of a masonry. Now, if that line between where those outsides meet your foundation is below grade, you need to touch base with more of a landscaping or an excavating contractor to come out and do regrading around your home. If it is just siding or brick and it's above ground and you're just getting that because that leak in there because that joint's been broken or that seal's been broken, this can cost just a few $100 to a couple $1,000. Now, if you have to do a bunch of regrading because that area is actually below the soil, this can go into the thousands and tens of thousands of dollars. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about water coming in over your foundation wall? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.